Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ehsan Aman along with my teammates Azaz Muzaffar, Rajesh Sultan and our supervisor Dr. Tasawwur Iqbal. This is a demonstration video for our final year project Retinapp. Retinapp is the short form for diabetic retinopathy application, in which we are going to determine the severity of diabetic disease in a person. The presence of diabetic retinopathy in each image will be determined on the scale of 0 to 4. Our overall setup would consist of a mobile app loaded with a fully trained model. This mobile app is going to help us in the process of image acquisition, pre-processing of image, segmentation of image, and finally detection of the diabetic retinopathy. We'll also be using a 20 diopter lens, which is going to help us view the retinal image, since it's not possible to view the retinal wall with a normal camera lens. Why is retina so important? The reason why is retina so important is because of its certain features. We'll be looking at hard exudates and cotton wool spots, which are also known as clouds, which are going to help us in determining the severity or the presence of a diabetic retinopathy in an image. So these are some of our sample images which represents an healthy retinal image consisting of no presence of diabetic retinopathy. Now this image represents an unhealthy retinal image, which represents the clouding or the dark spots as mentioned earlier, which shows the presence of diabetic retinopathy. So we'll be determining the severity determined on these spots. So some information about our data set is our data set size is almost 90 gigabytes. We have almost 100k images, and the images are of retinal image of both eyes as shown earlier. So our process will be taking an retinal image with the help of a 20 diopter lens and a mobile phone. We'll be pre-processing it. We'll be extracting features from the image, and we'll be generating results with our trained model. So the result generated will also be uploaded to our server, which will later be reviewed again by our doctor panel, and at the same time we can also be able to view the results to our patients. So this was the overall step or overall flow of the application. Now Rajesh Sultan will help you to understand the overall working and feature for our mobile app.